This is wild. I got something special for you guys. I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Can y'all read that? Y'all can read that, right? Oh, there's the angle. The Samsung Galaxy Flip. Now, I use iPhone, right? And I've never actually, my first device was an Android. It was a Motorola, right? But I've always found the fold concept, like, you know those phones that open up like this? Oh, let me just, you know, that's pretty cool. I think it's cool. Everyone else thinks it's whack, but you have no idea how, like, surprised I am. Like, if I could just record my reaction that I'm gonna react to, look at the box. Z. Or that could be an N. What? Or is that? Yeah, that's an N. Yeah, I think that's an N. So let's get this open. Like I'm shook. I can barely even talk right now. So we have this here. We have the box, right? And then this opens up. I think. I hope. Oh! So it opens like this. And they just copied Apple right there. Okay, this thing is long. Like look at the phone. It's like, you see how, like, this is my hand, right? My hand is like, you see that? That's like, wait, but how does it fold? Oh, I see. Okay, so it folds like this. Wow, this is, okay, so you see this, right? You see right here? And I'm getting my fingerprints all over it, but you see it folds right there, right? Okay, so there's that. Then I have the Galaxy Premier service. Yeah, okay, thank you. Charging adapter, okay, thank you. Where are the headphones at? I need some headphones. Charger. They're wired headphones. I forgot, I have AirPods, I'm sorry. They're wired headphones, I'm sorry. Care instructions, so, like, but look at this though, look at the concept. It's gonna fold down like this. It's gonna go like this and then fold like that. Well, it's gonna fold a bit better than that, but y'all know what I'm trying to do. So, do not press the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object. When folding the device, do not place any objects such as cards, coins, or keys. And, oh yeah, I'd imagine that. Like, let's say that, I don't know. Let's say that, like, I have a coin here and I press it. It'll not only break the bottom screen, but the top screen too. And then this device is not water or dust resistant. Apple's is water and dust resistant, but I'm not gonna. Okay, so when using a wireless charger, fold the device and place it on the device's back on the center of the wireless charger. So you have to, okay, you got it. So can I just, like, is that, oh, I have to, can I take this off? Oh, you have to, okay, so you have to go like this, right? You have to go like this. See that there's flaps on each side, 1, 2. I have to peel off like that and then peel up. That's kind of fancy, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, so it folds like this. Oh, wait, nope, okay. Hear that? Oh, okay, okay, so look, so there's this, right? And then this is open, and then there's a little thing at the top too to protect the screen. Look at this. How is a screen gonna fold when there's no, like, line? Do you see that? It's like the screen's perfectly fine. You see the light right there? I'm gonna fold it. This, look. You see the screen, right? You see the screen? This screen literally folds. And then it says, it has Samsung right there. Wow, this is, wow. And then you open it back up and it's perfectly fine. I like the black too. The black is nice. I like that. So let's turn this thing on. Okay. Wow, look at that. I don't know. And then it says, look at that. This is it flipped upside down. So if I look how the screen is when I fold it. Look at the screen. Do y'all see the screen? It's perfectly fine when I fold it. And then it says Samsung right here as I'm folding. It shows the time. I can check and be like, oh, it's. You see that? Let's go, English.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Terms and conditions. Let me just check all of them. So, like, I can just, like, the crazy part is I can literally fold it and it'll tell me the time right there. You see that? It'll tell me the time. right there. So I don't even have to pull out my phone all the way. I can just, but at the same time, I guess I would ask, why would I need to close the phone? I guess that's my question. I guess, maybe. So, but I mean, this is, now here is the home screen. See that? And you see, at any time, I can just kind of fold it. It is the flip, right? So here I can, move around. So let me act like I'm gonna go on YouTube real quick. So first thing I would do, I'd click on the YouTube icon. You see that YouTube icon? You see, then I type in CRUNCHY. I spelled that wrong. I'm still spelling it wrong. Okay, and then MARC. And you know who that is. I think that anyone that hasn't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. But I'm looking at it from the folding perspective. So now you can see my videos from here, and you can see it from here as well. Now, can I watch like multiple videos at once? I figured out how to play it on, I'm playing a video, right? I think, okay. I'm playing a video right now, and I'm also on the App Store, I think. Okay, well, I'm not on the Play Store, but the video is still playing in the background, you see? So I'm gonna open, what else can I open? I can use the top screen to watch a video and then use the bottom screen to send text and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. So let me I'm gonna play one of my videos, right? So, let's see. Me and Dylan playing Smash Bros. And then I can also look at my emails at the same time. What's up, Dylan? Shout out to Dylan, right? So it's me and him playing Smash Bros on one screen, and then I'm checking my emails on the right. I can also go like this. It kind of reminds me of the DS though. Like, you can, when you'll be on PictoChat and you'll be, sending messages, and then you can see other people send messages at the same time. But I can fold it right here. Wait, so if I fold this here, like what happens? So I'm just looking at the specs real quick. And then I took a further look at the headphones, and I mean, I'm gonna be honest with the headphones. Maybe it's because I have the AirPods, but when I see wired headphones, I get an oh feeling. But at the same time, would they really put in some wireless headphones though? Would they? I don't think they would. Unless you pay for that bundle where they give you more, right? And then they give you a little tree here with a little earbud piece. Do you see that? Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool, right? Okay, and then also, it's not that there's no headphone jack, but I think it's USB-C. It's the same one that goes into like right here. So it's kind of like how Apple does it, where one goes in the middle, one goes in, one goes right there. There's one here. These are the headphones, right? Yep. And then at the same time, the charger's right here as well. Right? So that's just, there's no absence of a headphone jack, but it's all one thing. Don't worry about it. Also, I'm gonna put this case on, right? Just know that I'm gonna figure this out. That's all you gotta know. I'm gonna figure it out. So first we have operating system, Android 10, preferred to be iOS, but no, I'm kidding. Processor, Qualcomm, QUALCOMM, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus. Main display, 6.7 inch FDH plus dynamic AMOLED Infinity Flex. I think this is where the flex part comes in, because flex, like the flex tape, flex seal, flexing on, it just like flex, like my flex is a bit bigger than this, but well, not a bit, it's next 1.1 inch Super AMOLED, AMOLED storage, 256 gigabyte. I think that's a quarter of a terabyte. I think a terabyte's 1,000 gigabytes, or is it 2,000? No, that's a ton. A ton is 2,000 pounds. A terabyte is 1,000 gigabytes. Yeah, it is. Memory, 8 gigabytes. Rear camera is the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle f/2.2 123 degree 12 megapixel wide angle f/1.878 degree. When you just carry the 2 and divide by 7, you'll know what it means. Rear cameras, I just did that one. Front camera, 10 megapixel f2480, 2.480, I'm sorry, 2.480 degree. Battery is 3.3 thousand milliamp by the hour. No, I'm sorry, not 3.3, 3,300 milliamp by the hour. And then there's connectivity, LTE only, 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, NFC. NFC, this is in the NFL, what? Dimensions, 7.3, 73.6 times 167.3 times 7.2 millimeters. That's when it's open. 183 gigs, G, I think that's what it is. Colors, there's mirror purple, mirror black, and mirror gold. Now we have the mirror black because, you know, the black is just the way to go. For how you put it on there. Yeah, I know it's not that hard of a task, but, you know, it looks a little, it reminds me of geometry, which I don't really care for. So, do I slide this in? This is like, it goes right here, right? And then you just kind of, wait, hold on. Maybe this is a bit, hold on. How did I get this on the first time? Okay, all right, there it is. Okay, so there's piece 2, and then that you just kind of slip on. Oh, you just had to slip it on the first time. Okay, so is that gonna slip, is that gonna come off though? No? Well, I mean, it's compatible with the folding, yeah. Okay, so possibilities are questionable. So overall, I think that this is the overall display. I'm gonna anticipate that the calling and everything else is, you know, this and that. I'm obviously not doing a drop test. I don't know who thought about that. That's not, I'm not doing that here. No sir. Even if this was mine, I'm not doing this, no sir. But I only do drop tests on cases. I'm not sure who asked me that earlier, but only the cases do I do the drop test. I don't do it on the phone itself. What am I? But my overall rate for this phone here, out of 5, I think it is. I wish Apple would do something like this, but I guess Apple just kind of, they can sell you some dirt and they'll be like, oh yeah, the Apple logo's on it, people are gonna buy it. So if this had the little Apple logo at the top or bottom, you throw that up top, at the top right or something, that'd be pretty cool too. But I'd say, on a real note though, I'd probably say it's like a 10, because just the fact that I can kind of just fold this up and just be like, oh yeah, you know, I just kind of get this in your back pocket and then I can check the time. I could, you know, swipe here. If I shake, hold on, if I shake it, is the light gonna come on? In limited quantities starting on the 14th. That's tomorrow. So I think this is pretty, it's pretty neat. For $1,400 though, and my notes here say that it wasn't even, this isn't the most expensive Samsung phone, which makes me think, what is the most expensive Samsung phone? But I mean, for what this is worth here, just the things that it can do this is great. I mean, this almost makes me want to go to Samsung, but it does feel like a exclusive access to be able to get access to this, you know, a day before. So a lot of this stuff. Maybe I can find what's the most expensive on my notes here. The S20 Ultra, that's the most expensive. That's what my notes say here. So I don't even know what price that is, but just know that it's not $1,400. It's more than $1,400. So I do thank you everyone for watching. For all the visitors, thank you for, I almost said thank you for choosing, hold on. I almost said thank you for choosing La Quinta. Thank you for stopping by, and for all new visitors, I do hope you subscribe. This is what I do. I kind of leave fingerprints on phones and I talk about what I think. I mean, they gave me for $1,400, they gave me wired headphones. I will see you guys very shortly. Peace. Peace be to whoever buys this, because $1,400 for this here, I'm just... Peace be to you.